Hello guys. Have you ever seen this or similar video of people being rescued from the middle of the desert?
الحمد لله الحمد لله الحمد لله الحمد لله
والله نحن ندور هنا من يوم.
الحمد لله بس تسقي واجد ابوه.
Well, in today's video I am going to show you ways can help you to survive in case you getting lost in the desert. First you have to know is the desert can be a harsh and unforgiving environment, but by understanding the right techniques, you can increase your chances of survival. The first thing you need to do is find a source of water. The desert can be extremely dry, and without water, survival is impossible. Look for small streams, ponds, cacti, or any other potential sources of water. In case you have some water, you have to keep it, because you never know how long you will stay in the desert. Next, protecting yourself from the intense sun is essential. The sun can cause heat stroke, sunburn, and dehydration, so seek shade or bury yourself in the sand to stay cool, or stay in your car and don't leave it to attract attention and take cover inside. Third, look for natural food sources, such as small fruits and edible plants. The fresh stems of the nutritional bush contain antioxidants and important amino acids. Caution should be taken when eating small animals and insects in the desert, as this can be a health hazard. Small animals can contain harmful amino acids, and insects can contain harmful nutrient bodies that can lead to infection. Make sure to properly prepare the food you eat before consumption, such as by cooking it well, to eliminate harm. The same thing should be done if you find dirty water. It's important to have a plan and know how to navigate the desert. Having a map, compass, or GPS device or smartphone can greatly increase your chances of being found or finding civilization. If none are available, put up clear signs of your need for help, such as writing on the floor, lighting a fire, or something that catches the eyes. Therefore, safety equipment must be taken with you on every trip you want to take. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I was helpful. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe to my channel.